So, why should a repair station care about the latest FAA audit? Because the biggest risk probably isn't what you think it is. The DOT or Inspector General recently launched another review of FAA repair station oversight and certification consistency. Now, most repair stations immediately worry about inspections or more enforcement, but that's usually not where the real problem starts. What inspectors often uncover isn't some kind of intentional noncompliance, it's just inconsistency. One technician follows the procedure one way, another does it an entirely different way. One follows the manual exactly, the other one misses a step here and there. The system works only because a few experienced people in the organization are keeping everything together. So here's what I do this month: pick one critical maintenance task, have three qualified technicians perform it independently, compare the documentation, the tooling, the sign offs, the whole process. If the result varies, you found a compliance risk, hopefully long before the FAA does. Then tighten that training and make sure everything's standardized. Strong repair stations don't just pass inspections, they produce the same result time and time again. What's the biggest consistency challenge in your shop? Please let me know in the comments.